What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm John with Wipeout PDR. We're back here in the garage. We have another vehicle to take care of for a customer. I'll walk you through it here. It's a 2021 Acura TLX Type S. Really cool car. Really like this car. Real sharp, nice interior. But in any case, here's the dent we got on the hood. You can actually see it from here. So I think he was driving and something came up and hit his hood, and I don't know if he had to replace his windshield or not, but so that's the dent we got. And actually when he was pulling up, I caught in the light something on his quarter panel. So I showed him this and he wants this taken care of as well. So it's not real bad, but it's a good shot right in the quarter there. So we're gonna just glue pull that. I'm not gonna take out the tail light or pop a hole for that. I think we can glue pull that and make that look good. The hood might be a little more work than just glue pulling, that being aluminum, and it's in there pretty good. Not only that, the bracing in these is pretty tight around there and everything too. So hopefully we can sneak in there. Maybe there's an access hole we can slip in somewhere and take care of that. So we'll get started and we'll see how it turns out. We'll take you along with us. Let's go. Okay, we are all finished up. It was a tough one, that hood. I didn't expect that. So I knew it was going to be a little tough, you know, being aluminum and how deep it was. But man, when I was working it, it was really tough. I was struggling with it. It just wanted to walk all over the place. Sometimes with aluminum is like that. It's actually really nice aluminum on that too, the way it works. But when I was working it, it was just kind of walking all over the place. Like, you know, it would be high here, low here, and a lot of tapping and fine tuning. It kind of reminded me like when I first started out in dent removal, just that frustration of, you know, the dent isn't just working out, like you're just struggling with it. It kind of reminded me of that. It was annoying, but it came out good. I'll walk you through it here. You can see the hood even from here. If you remember, you could see it from that far away, but all in all, it came out really nice. Like I said, I struggled with that, but it came out good. And as you saw on the other side, we did the quarter panel over here. All we did was glue pull that. That was nice and easy, and that came out really good too. So no issues with that. But I think he'll be happy with it. I'm glad it worked out, but it was frustrating. Sometimes you just gotta work through it, stick with it, and just keep working it. So I'm glad it worked out for him. If you guys like the video, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.